Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete stuff in Clash of Clans. While you can't truly delete everything, you can remove obstacles, sell certain items, and manage your troops and spells. We'll cover the specific methods for clearing your village of unwanted elements, making space for new structures, or simply tidying up your base. Understanding these mechanics is key to efficient base management and resource allocation in the game. Removing obstacles like trees, rocks, and bushes is straightforward. Simply tap on the obstacle and select Remove. This action typically costs a small amount of gold or elixir, ranging from a few hundred to a few thousand, and takes a few seconds to several minutes, depending on the size. Some special seasonal obstacles can even be stored in your inventory for later placement, adding a unique touch to your village. When it comes to buildings and defenses, you generally cannot sell them for resources. Instead, you can move them around your base or upgrade them. However, traps such as bombs, spring traps, and giant bombs are an exception. You can sell these for a small fraction of their original gold cost, usually around 10%. This can be useful if you need a tiny bit of gold in a pinch, but it's often better to keep them for defense. Managing your trained troops and spells is also a form of deletion. Once trained, they are either deployed in battle or donated to clanmates. If you have excess troops in your army camps that you no longer need, you can dismiss them by tapping on the army camp and selecting the troop. Be aware that dismissing troops does not refund the elixir or dark elixir spent on training them, so use this option wisely to free up space for new units.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.